How to replace a mechanism. Disconnect the power supply or battery from the unit. Disconnect the headrest and lumbar cables. Lift the interior latches and remove the back from the mechanism. Place the back away from the unit while service is being performed. Place a protective blanket in front of the unit and flip the unit onto its front. This gives you easier access to the mechanism. Remove the bottom rail bolts using a 7/16 socket and drill. Remove the motor connection bolts using a Torx T30 bit and drill. Remove this piece from the rest of the unit. Lay the piece down. Take a picture of the wiring for future reference. Unscrew the cable clamps. Disconnect the wire. Remove the bolts and screws from the footrest and mid-ottoman. Remove the mechanism from the seat frame fasteners. Remove the mechanism from the seat and place it aside. Carefully install the new replacement mechanism into the seat frame. Reattach the mechanism to the seat using the screws and bolts from the original mechanism. Remove the base rails from the replacement mechanism. Attach the footrest and mid-ottoman using the bolts and screws from the original mechanism. Push the footrest closed. Flip the unit onto its footrest and reposition the mechanism back onto the rails. Reattach the mechanism to the rail using the screws and bolts from the original mechanism. Reference the picture that was previously taken to replicate the cable routing. Use the new plastic cable ties to bundle and reattach the cable to the frame. Remove any excess ties. Flip the unit onto its base. Reattach the back to the mechanism uprights. Reconnect the headrest and lumbar cables. Reconnect the power supply or battery. Test for functionality.